Ever spent hours struggling to make the perfect plot for a research paper or report? Imagine a tool that gives you professional 2D and 3D plots with just a few lines of code, right inside your LaTeX document. Meet PGFPlots, the game changer for scientific plotting in LaTeX. No more exporting graphs from Excel or MATLAB. PGFPlots ensures everything stays neat, professional, and fully customizable. In this video, we'll take you through its key features, show you how to create stunning plots, and prove why this tool is a must-have for researchers, engineers, and students. So let's get started. All right, so what makes PGFplot special? Whether it's line graphs, scatter plots, or even 3D surfaces, PGFplots does it all. Want to tweak axes, colors, markers, or labels? No problem, you're in full control. It has seamless latex integration and maintains professional formatting. And last but not the least, if you need contour plots, histograms, or Smith charts, PGFplots has you covered. But enough talk. Let's see PGFplots in action. So now let's learn to plot 2D graphs using PGFplots. First, we load the package PGFplots. Then we also load text picture. Text picture is an environment which is used for creating graphics using text. Now we begin the axis. Now we specify what we want in the axis. Suppose we want axis in the middle, x-axis and y-axis to be in the middle, then we write axis lines equals to middle. This ensures axis is in the middle instead of the default, which is bottom left. We can also give x labels. Suppose we want x-axis to be labeled as x, then we label it as x. And we label the y-axis as f of x. Now we can add our plot. Let's plot the graph for x square. Add plot. X square. We can give specifications inside of the bracket. Suppose we specify the sample size. Sample equal to 100 essentially means they will plot the graph using 100 points. More the number of points, more smooth is the graph. We can specify the domain. Here we want it to be -2 to 2. Then we can also give color to the line of color to the graph. And we can make the line thick for better visibility. Let's compile our code. So here we get the plot for x square. Thank you.
Now we learn how to create 3D plots. We have already used article class. We have loaded the PGFplots package. We have begun the document and built in the text picture. Only the body changes. We have initialized the begin axis. We use 60, 30. The first 60 is the rotation along the vertical axis. The next 30 is where the plot tilts. We have x labeled it as x, y labeled as y, z labeled as f of x, y. Now we have written a command add plot 3. This is a specific command used for 3D plotting. Surf. Surf specifies that the function should be drawn on the surface plot. Then we have defined the domain, x domain, the y domain, and the equation, the function to be plotted. Now we'll compile it. This is the output what we get, the x-axis, the y-axis, and the graph plotted.
Now let's have a quick recap of the entire presentation. PGFplots makes stunning 2D and 3D plots right inside LaTeX. It's customizable, efficient, and integrates seamlessly with research papers, theses, and reports. So next time you need a graph, ditch Excel and try PGFplots. We promise you'll never look back. Thanks for watching. Now go create some amazing plots.